You've been watching our delivery videos, and we know you like them, We are shipping items for customers all over the world to Jamaica. Doing this at less than a quarter of what FedEx or DHL charges. We are eliminating the geographical boundaries of shipping. We have customers all over the world, from England, Germany, Australia, Japan. We have people from Japan who shop on the .com version of any website, and we get those items delivered to them here in Jamaica. How you can do that? It's simple. Alright guys, I just bought myself 5 TVs. What you said? Eh?
Hi, I'm Natoya Shakespeare.
Natalia Shakespeare.
Yes,
You
I
can't.
just got my delivery here.
Shakespeare tried to take away my TV, but you know what? I'm gonna allow you to take the TVs. Alright? How you like the service so far?
It's good.
She like the service,
Yeah,
it's good,
very
guys.
good. Yeah.
Alright, awesome. Items here to Jamaica, and we are so happy. We're in Ocherus actually. It's in the night, but we're making delivery. We're going to please all our customers, right? So if you have the big items, we're going to ship it. We're delivering an actual restaurant, guys. All the boxes you see here, all of these, they're going to build a restaurant. And guess what? They asked us to ship their items here to Jamaica, and we are so happy. We're in Ocherus, guys. We're here. As you can see, we're unpacking the truck now. I gotta go check off, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. How do you like me now? How you guys doing? Guys, as you know, we are your friendly neighborhood shipping company that allows you to purchase your items overseas and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Why my camera lady I walk from me? Come close to me, I don't have any mic. Come close to me. So guys, listen, if you have the items overseas, say you're a returning resident and you want to ship some stuff from maybe IKEA or Walmart or even Home Depot, your big items, no problem at all.